Hey everyone, welcome to another Financial Bull video. Hope you guys are doing well, having a good day in the markets today. I just wanted to create a quick video talking about Apple and their Q2 earnings, as well as the big news about their 4-to-1 stock split. Let you know why I'm so excited about this upcoming news and the 4-to-1 stock split, and why I'm so bullish on Apple. If you guys enjoy these type of videos, just getting started with YouTube, I'm trying to grow this community. Before I get into the video, I just want to ask you guys a favor and please subscribe to my channel to get more videos relating to the stock market, to finance, and gaining your financial freedom, as well as liking this video if you enjoyed the video. So let's get right into it. Apple today was trading pretty sideways. You guys can see it was trading about the 375 area and slowly start to creep up, having small dips but increasing pretty much every hour. And after about 9:30 it was in the 380s and just trading pretty much sideways for the most days, slightly green day. But you guys can see after hours, Apple shot up. It surpassed the $400 price, which I was anticipating in the future. I didn't know we were going to get to that price relatively soon, especially with the current pandemic and the situation that the economy is in. But I was wrong, and Apple completely killed their earnings and shot up above 400 and was trading in the low fours, and now it has got up to 409.50. You guys can see that Apple had a estimated earning per share for Q2 2020 of $2.04 per share, and they managed to get a $2.58 earnings per share for the quarter. They were expected to have revenues of about $52.3 billion, and they completely killed it. They earned $59.7 billion this quarter, which in my eyes is pretty incredible, especially for any company, even a tech company, during this time. Their iPhone revenue was $26.42 billion. Their services revenue was $13.2 billion, which is slightly above what was expected. And even their accessories revenue was $6.5 billion versus the $6.1 billion that was expected. So that's all really good news. I'm still shocked, especially with Apple having their stores closed, for them to beat their earnings and create a substantial gain this quarter, which is very amazing to see. And I'm very excited about Apple. I always believed in their company. I mean, I own an iPhone, I use a MacBook. I believe in their ecosystem. They build quality products, and they've been continuously growing for the past decades with their iPod, Mac line, their iPhone. And even though the iPhone, many are saying matured, there's more growth in the iPhone line. They do have their iPhone 12 coming out later this fall. It's going to be a refreshed design. I think that a lot of people are due for an upgrade, and that should bring a lot more revenue for the income on their iPhone side. So the next biggest news with Apple, besides beating their earnings, was their announcement for their 4-to-1 stock split. And as much as the earnings got me very excited, the 4-to-1 stock split really gets me excited. And what that pretty much means that whatever Apple is trading at in the end of August, which is when they're expected to have the 4-to-1 stock split take effect, their stock price will pretty much be split into four. So say you own one share of Apple at $400. After this stock split, you'll own 4 shares of Apple at $100. So you're not losing anything, you're not gaining anything. What I expect is for Apple, when they do a stock split, if they are hovering around the low $400 range, that would mean that Apple would be trading after the split around the $100 range. And in my eyes, and this is just my opinion, not financial advice. So when Apple is trading around the $100 range, I have a feeling a lot of investors, especially the retail investors, are going to come in and purchase a lot of Apple at the low $100 stock price, and that should raise the shares of Apple stock a good amount. The thing that gets me more excited, besides being able to purchase Apple at such a low price, is being able to own 100 shares of Apple. And why do I say that owning 100 shares of Apple gets me so excited? And that's because of selling options. So as you guys may or may not know, to be able to sell options or trade options, you need 100 shares of a stock, or you need to have enough cash collateral for the equivalent of 100 shares of a stock at the strike price. So for instance, Apple right now trading about $400 a share. You need roughly $40,000 in collateral to sell cash secured puts. Vice versa, if you want to purchase 100 shares of Apple and sell covered calls, you need to be able to purchase Apple at whatever share price it's at currently, which is about $409.50. So you would need almost $41,000 to be able to sell covered calls with Apple. But with this 4-to-1 stock split, Apple will be trading at a lower share price, meaning you need less collateral, less cash to be able to sell cash secured puts or to purchase 100 shares of Apple. And I will go into what I plan to do with Apple in these next couple of weeks. I currently have 3 shares of Apple. I purchased 1 share of Apple earlier this week when it was trading in the low 360s. I believe I got in at 365. I did purchase 2 more shares in after hours trading today, and that brought my average cost up. Right now it's at $389.72, and I purchased 2 shares at $401.78. I plan to purchase 22 more shares of Apple, and that's because once I have 25 shares in total, my 25 shares by August 31st will be equivalent to 100 shares after the 4-to-1 stock split. And once I have 100 shares of Apple, I plan to own 100 shares of Apple for as long as I can and continue selling covered calls and just continue riding the stock price up and earning weekly income. This gets me very excited. I've always wanted to own 100 shares of Apple to sell covered calls, but Apple has been trading at over $200 for the past year and currently over $400, and I just don't have the cash collateral. So I will be able to get my 100 shares of Apple and sell covered calls, which makes me so happy. I look forward to the 4-to-1 stock split and to purchase at least 25 shares of Apple before the stock split in late August. And that's all I wanted to cover in this video. I'm very curious to see what your strategies and plans are for not only Apple, But for other stocks, do you plan to own 100 shares of Apple? Are you guys excited for the 4-to-1 stock split? Or you just don't believe in the company? Feel free to comment below. Let me know. I'd love to see what you guys are trading and what your plans are for the stock market. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.